Today's plan was to tighten up the front and rear suspension and maybe go for another test drive if those rear axles would hold out. Unfortunately, I discovered the reason why my outer boots kept tearing off the axle shafts. The reason is I have installed the rear sway bar the wrong way around. It's actually supposed to go above that top link. I don't know how I made such a silly mistake. Obviously, I was too lazy to look at the other car. This is all well and good when the car is off the ground, but when it's actually down on the ground, that link interferes with the rubber boot, and it has actually torn one of them in half. Not deterred by this, I decided to lower that subframe and get this corrected ASAP. So you just remove the bolts for the top of the shock absorbers. Yes, I know that my brake hoses are not too happy at the moment, but they are brand new, so I'm hoping that's not too much stress for them. So the subframe is unbolted front and rear, and it's also disconnected from the drive shaft. Surprisingly, it wasn't actually that difficult. I didn't have to drop the exhaust, I didn't have to disconnect any fuel lines. I just had to lower it slightly, and I was able to feed the bar out through the side. So that's corrected now, it's the right way around, and I have tightened up everything on the rear. I will say though that I might have to revert to my previous attitude of general disapproval of lowering cars, because doing that tightening was not easy. At the normal ride height, some things were just not even accessible. I still have to reattach these bottom covers onto those lower arms, but I can do that next weekend. Some people have been making me paranoid about these wheels not being able to turn at the front. I had a look, and I've actually got more clearance with these wheels than I did with the 16-inch 8 holes that I was planning to use, so I'm pretty sure they'll be fine. All in all, a disastrous day, but I recovered in the end, and hopefully next weekend I'll have a bit more luck finishing off the front side.